What is up, YouTube? This is Owen Dowell here, and today I'm going to be doing, I guess you could call this part 2 to my last video, which, by the way, if you haven't seen my last video, I recommend that you maybe go check that out before watching this video. Basically, if you went in and ordered more than $60 worth of anything on their website, you could receive a free mystery lighter. And I just checked the website. It looks like that promotion has since ended, so hopefully some of y'all saw that video and decided to jump on it yourselves, because I wasn't able to find it on their website. But I decided that I wanted to take advantage of that, so that's exactly what I did. I went on there and I ordered a couple of Zippos and received the mystery lighter, and this is the package that I got back. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and let's check this out. I know what 2 of these Zippos are, but there's one in here that I don't know what it is. So let's go ahead and let's check it out. All right, so cut into this with my very dull Kershaw leak. I really need to get this thing sharpened. I need to just buy a knife sharpener. There we go. Check that out. And here we are. So this is the invoice, which I'll slide off of here. Actually, that's interesting. If you look at the packing slip, I guess I'll just have to take a picture of it and then I can blur out everything. It actually doesn't show the mystery Zippo as being free. But it was when I didn't get charged for it. So it shows it as if it wasn't a discount. So that's actually kind of interesting. Anyway, we'll discard that. And let's see what we got in here. I'm gonna flip these over. One Zippo. And then we've got 2 Zippo. And we have 3 Zippo. So I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna make this the video. It's gonna be kind of like a triple feature new Zippo video, except we don't know what one of them is. Ooh, that's kind of exciting. And then from there, we can, we'll just go from that. So yes, which one do we start with? Let's mix them up a little bit, and we'll see. So I remember I ordered the red box top design, and I can't remember what the name of the Zippo I Spy. I ordered the Zippo I Spy as well. So let's go ahead and let's just start from left to right since I mixed them up. And here we go. I'm not even gonna look at the back of them yet. Let's just open it up and see what we got. Ooh, yes, this is the Zippo I Spy. Check that out. 49352 I Spy design. Wow. Look at that, a Zippo Premium. Yes, this is the first Zippo Premium box that I'm showing on my channel, but I actually recently, in fact, right after shooting the last video that I uploaded, I actually shot a new Zippo video of another Zippo Premium, so that one will be coming out shortly after this video. Check that out. Comes in this interesting sort of showcase box with the chrome siding, so you can actually see it from all sides. Kind of like that. You can kind of see all the different sides at once, because if you take a look at the Zippo, it's a continuous design all the way around, which is very, very cool. I don't know what that was. So let's go ahead and let's take the sticker off so we can fully appreciate it. I just got a text message. My laptop is not muted. How responsible of me. Boop. There we are, no residue. Very, very nice. I'll just stick this in our guarantee here. And we will see what it looks like a little bit more up close. Here is the design, fully uncovered and fully appreciable. So this is really cool. Looks like the museum is in the background with the Zippo car right there. If we kind of come around here, there's so much stuff in here. There's no way I can point everything out. I see the Zippo guarantee up there. Got a Zippo flint and a couple of Zippo lighters with various bottom stamps, which is pretty cool. And yeah, very, very nice. It's on a white matte base. This one I do not believe glows in the dark like my Mysteries of the Forest Zippo did. So this is actually just a standard white matte Zippo. I'll have to verify that. I don't believe this one actually glows in the dark though. Take a look at the bottom here. This is made in April of this year. D stands for April because it's the 4th letter of the alphabet, and April is the 4th month of the year. So April 2021. If we take a look at the insert, you will see it is April of 2021. That's very nice. It's a matching insert. One thing I'm wondering, I wonder if they're going to change the bottom text color next year, because I remember they changed the bottom text color of the insert from black to red. Right now it's red. They changed that up in 2012, and that was also Zippo's 80th anniversary. So next year being 2022, it's going to be Zippo's 90th anniversary. So I'm wondering if they're actually going to change the felt pad color for 2022. That would be very interesting. All right, so this is number 2, and let's go ahead and see what we got. This could be the mystery, or this could be the box top design. I do kind of hope it's a box top design, but we'll see. Doo-doo-doo! It's the mystery Zippo. Whoa, okay, what is this one? This is 216 Eye of Providence. Nice. That's really cool. That's really interesting. This is a model that would not stand out to me if I was like shopping in a mall and I saw a bunch of Zippos. I probably wouldn't buy this one. So yeah, this is the mystery Zippo, and this one might be, is that a glow-in-the-dark base? No, I don't think it is. It's an off-white color though. That's not, because like this one here is the pure, ooh, I messed up the box there. This one is the pure white matte. This one's kind of a bonish color. That's really interesting. Check that out. How about that? And like I say, that's actually kind of cool with the Zippo mystery lighter. I would not have bought this myself, but now that I went ahead and got the mystery lighter, I got this for myself. So yeah, so this is actually the mystery Zippo, the one that I did not know what it would be. So let's go ahead and take the back sticker off. Boom. And again, put this in here. All right. And let's take a look at this one's stuff. So make sure we grab the right thing. So let's see what we got here. So yeah, we've got the pyramid here. I don't know a whole lot. I mean, I know this is kind of like the Illuminati symbol type thing. I know it's on like the dollar bill and whatnot. So that's really all I know about it, is that it's like the Illuminati and on the dollar bill. So, but that's what it looks like. Very, very cool design, very simple. You could see a lot of people wanting to buy this one and carry it around. So this one is actually made in January of this year, January 2021. Again, remember A being the first letter of the alphabet and January being the first month of the year. That's how that works. The insert is February of 2021, so slightly newer on the insert. Very, very nice. Check that out. Very cool. Awesome. And again, interesting finish. I don't actually know what this one is. And I don't know. This doesn't glow in the dark though. I'm looking, because it kind of looks like it would be glow in the dark material, but it's not. I know Zippo actually made a glow in the dark base finish. But that is not the glow in the dark base finish. So very cool. That's the mystery Zippo. How about that? very, very cool indeed. And finally, let's check out the last one, which we know is going to be the Zippo Red Box Top 49475. And the model number on this one, I don't think I actually read it off, is 216 Eye of Providence. All right. So let's check this one out. This is one I've been wanting it ever since like I first saw it. So this is finally a good excuse to go ahead and get it. Pull it out. Whoa, look at that. I had to take a chance to appreciate that in person. This is interesting. Wow, I really like this. Wow, this might be my new favorite base finish. Like, I mean that, period. Peel the back off, back sticker off. Oop, little bit of residue, but we got it. All right, there we go, and there. Guys, this is so beautiful. Look at that. This really, truly is probably my new favorite base model. 100% my new favorite base model. This is, wow, that is so pretty. This is kind of raised up. It's printed. It's kind of interesting effects. Let me put it on 2x here. Yeah, that's really, really cool. Kind of raised up. It's just like printed really thick. Is really what it is. And then the original windproof lighter. The original windproof is just etched into the finish there, which is very pretty. Guys, this is awesome. This is such a cool lighter. And it feels kind of metallic. This reminds me of the iridescent matte finish in terms of how it feels. It feels pretty similar to that. It might feel slightly different, I don't know. But as you can see, this is a really, really nice finish. It looks a little bit metallic, as you can see. Even though it's not, I mean, ooh, that's weird. Wow, my, okay, there you go. It's kind of weird, huh? That's bizarre. My camera's, my iPhone's image processing is having an effect on that reflection, which is kind of weird. A little weird, not gonna lie. Don't know if I like that or not. Very cool. I'm a huge fan of this thing, guys. This one is awesome. There's a part of me that wants to get another one of these and carry it and then keep this one nice. You know what I mean? That's awesome. H of 21. Ooh, this one's actually a lot more recent. This would be, H, I believe, I want to say is August? Wait, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes, this is August. Take a look at the insert. Ooh, that's tight. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. We have I of 21, so this is actually September of 2021, which is very, very cool indeed. Nothing really different about the inserts this year. So. How about that, guys? Check that out. Yeah, that's it. That's the video. I'm a big fan of this one. This one, I mean, again, I wouldn't have bought it for myself, but I own it now because of the little promotion thing that they had going on there, so that's pretty cool. And this one is just very, very cool. I like this one a lot. It's a shame I kind of messed up the box up there, but it's not that big a deal. You can barely notice it. My finger had caught it when I was trying to remove it earlier. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so very much for watching it. And yeah, adios.